Well, guys, it's done. Officially, this is my to-do list. See how it's all X'd off? And I just pulled it out of the trash. That means it's done. So I'm literally, because it stopped raining, it's sunny. It's only like 6 o'clock at night on a Saturday. I'm about to wash this thing real quick one more time. And I'm gonna take it down to a nice little parking lot, take some pictures and some video, and I'm gonna put up a for sale ad. But let me show you real quick what we did. So, since you last saw, well, it's clean. That's one thing. My daughter actually took care of that. I gave her $100, payable when the truck sells. I mean, you can see out the glass. It's all shiny. We got a rear window latch. I mean, literally everything works. So I have done a few things. One, we've got a parking brake. It mostly works. I mean, it holds the truck. The truck not shutting down has been repaired. I put a diode in that the fuel coil hold circuit, and that solved that, because basically it's backfeeding from the alternator or the starter. One way or the other, it was backfeeding. We've got a speedometer that works. I programmed my Dakota Digital unit. That's in here just in case it needs to be ever messed with. But anyway, that's good. I mean, everything in here works. I don't remember if the boost gauge was in, but it is now. Everything back there was kind of already done. I just replaced mud flaps and put some anti-sail brackets on, just because I thought that was needed. Put some nicer, thicker flaps on that weren't used. Down there, as you can see, we've got a parking brake cable all loomed, and it's actually two front halves of a GM cable is what I ended up using to make work, and it does in fact work. If we back out real quick, I wheeled the paint. We washed everything. We scraped the glass. We wheeled the paint. Put a coat of wax on it. That is done. I don't know what else I did under here. Not a whole lot. I mean, basically, everything works. It's functional. I'm going to give it a quick wipe down, and, you know, we're going to call it good. It's not gone yet, but this is kind of the end of an era. I built this truck as a flatbed salt truck originally in 2009. Regular cab, 14-foot flatbed with a 454 and an automatic. And then in 2014, I Cummins swapped it with the 12 valve and the Fuller 6-speed. Painted it black from white. And then in 2023, January of 23, I stripped it apart, scrapped it, saved what little was left after being a salt truck for all those years, and started rebuilding this. Every bolt, everything new, repaired, restored. And here we go. We've got ourselves a 12 valve 6-speed air ride rear ramp truck. The vision is complete. So I'm gonna go home and put up a listing. It's a little bittersweet. I'm looking forward to the money coming in the door. Got some plans with it, but man, I'm gonna miss this thing. And I don't even want to think about how many hours of literal blood, sweat, and tears into this thing. But yeah, this is what you can accomplish if you put your mind to it, kids. I'm no expert. I got it done.